So in the previous video, we were just talking about how to make this tool in our Steve Minecraft character that will slide right in. We had left off right before we were going to connect it here. So I'm going to make my connection here to close out my sketch. Now I'm going to use my mirror tool. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to click on my mirror tool. Oh, I need to select my line to mirror across on my mirror tool, and there we go. So then I can extrude this 0.125, which is the opening size. So here we can see it's extruded 0.125. Something I forgot in a previous video is we never finished the head. We never finished the opening for the bottom of the head. So we're going to place a sketch down here now, and we're going to make that cutout for our head. So that cutout is going to be a 1/2 inch deep based on it, but we got to put that sketch there first. So we're going to do 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch, so 0.25 by 0.5. We're going to go 1/4 inch from the side to center it, and we're also going to do a 0.375 from the side. We're going to extrude this a 1/2 inch, and we're going to make that 1/2 inch a removal. Now all of our parts are done, we can assemble them. If I'm 3D printing it, I'm leaving it exactly like this, and I'm going to set it up on my printing bed so it's flat like this and printing in different parts, and then using a paper clip and cutting it and bending the ends down for my joints for the arms there. But I'm going to create a new assembly just to show you how we're going to assemble this. So I'm going to insert my part studio here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix my body portion of it so I keep that from moving. I'm going to fasten mate the top center of this to the top center of the opening of our, so we can put that on. And again, by doing it this way, it really eliminates support material. I'm going to do the same exact thing with my tool here. Let's go around to the back side of this. We'll do the back middle of that. And we're going to come to my tool here, and we'll go to the middle of it there. Now we're going to have to rotate this over so we can see. Let's get a better view on this, and we can rotate that over so we can see our tool being held there. Now in reality, I don't push it all the way down on mine in the actual figure, so it actually sticks up. So I'm going to come over here on my Z-axis and offset it a little bit to give it a more realistic look. Then I'm going to come over to my revolve mate up here, and I'm going to choose the center of that circle and the center of my circle here, and I'm just going to have to flip that so we have it there. And I'm going to do that same on this side. I'm going to go to that revolve mate, that center of that circle to the center there. And what we can see is I can close this out, and my Steve character moves. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a paper clip. I'm going to slide that paper clip in there, bend the end down on one end, measure on the other end, and snip it, and then bend it down, and I have a nice joint that I can have for my Steve character. Best of luck as you make and try to 3D print this.